my suggestion to you, be smart now. Support someone that's crazy like me right now. And I got the papers to prove that I'm crazy. I don't go to doctors anymore, but I've been diagnosed as mentally ill. I'm totally sick, insane in the membrane, because I really want to help you. That's the thing. I don't give up. Truck hit, filming while I was in the hospital. When a truck hit me in my skull while I was running, a Ford F-450. Oh, I can name on and on. Skid Row, left there because clean and sober 16 years. I'm not giving up. I don't quit because I'm too legit to quit. Hi, because you're worth it. I live to serve you because before I die, I'm going to see millions of lives changed. People coming out of poverty, or at least a poverty mindset, and becoming wealthy financially so you can help other people. That's my mission on this earth. I'm here to change lives. I'm here for you. So get smart and support me now before I have the proof with my revenue.